Hey guys, I'm back! And after I just had to replay getting the bird into the frickin' apartment because I didn't realize the game didn't save. Or, well, it saved, but it saved on me going into the apartment and didn't really save where I was. So it's not like an autosave feature, it's just like, oh, you hit a new chapter, we're gonna save here. So I got a little stuck and I'm like, oh good, have to go through all that again. Anyway, so I'm gonna continue this and see what happens. Maybe. Oh, okay, so I walk over the bread. Oh, do I hit it at the same time? Okay. Okay, apparently I'm ripping up the bread into teeny tiny pieces. Okay. Contemplating my life as I look over the railing. He's just so happy about the damn bird. By the way, I mentioned it, I think, in the description of the other video, but I did find out by going onto the website for the creators of this game that it is sort of like a prequel to the Moon. The only difference is that this is just like the dude that was in the hospital. I don't remember his name. It's been so long since I played it. It doesn't include the doctors or anything, but this is like the precursor to that, but it's only with him. Which is odd because I thought they lived in a house from what I remember with his whole brother and stuff, but I don't know. I just, it's been a while. Anyway. Oh, bird. Oh no, the birdie's gonna jump. Birdie's totally gonna jump. Oh, Birdie sees other birds. Birdie wants a girlfriend. Kazooie wants a girl. Wait, Kazooie's a girl. Shoot. Okay, Kazooie wants a boyfriend. I always forget Kazooie from Banjo-Kazooie's a girl. Just because it's pretty odd to me. I don't know. All I can think is the wah, 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 wah that it makes, which makes me think of a frickin' peanut. Anyway. I'm kind of hoping something interesting happens. Or am I just gonna watch the bird as it tries to fly, but it cannot? This kid needs to clean up his damn room. You left your backpack there, your clothes over in the corner, you have 85 billion notes from your mother, your father, whatever. Either way, you have a lot of notes. Speaking of notes and mother notes, Happy Mother's Day to everybody who's a mother. I don't know if I have any mothers watching this, but hey, it's to you anyway. Yes, I don't know what's going on, Kazooie. Can you push open the door? Is the door already open? Are you just trapezing through his apartment? What are you doing? Clearly this is a dream, because there's no way in hell that would have actually worked. That threw me off. I thought he was gonna kill himself. So I love how there's just like a giant forest right next to my, apartment building. Wait, this looks like the same one that was at by the school, because that looks like the trees up there. I don't know. Oh look, there's a car. Wait a second. But back there was the school before, and the animal hospital. Okay, I'm hurting my brain again. Why does he have no face? Let's go in here and heal my birdie. Kazooie, why do you have a broken wing? He's saying he needs a bottle? Is that a bottle? Yes, bring me my bottle, child, because I don't have an assistant. Wait, can I just go through? No, I can't. So I have to go this way. Oh god, what a pain in the ass. You can't just say excuse me like a normal person and be like, here. Or the doctor couldn't just turn around and grab it themselves. Nope. Okay, where's this bandage roll? Is it in here? It is. What is this, scavenger hunt? At least the music's pretty. That doesn't sound right at all. Oh, it has like a little... It's a bandage, but it makes me think of a vest. At least from that angle, it looked like a vest. Alright, bitch, how you gonna pay me? Give me money. Oh. Is he telling me to get out? He's like, get out. I'll take care of your bird. Oh, but I don't want to leave Kazooie. Kazooie doesn't want to leave me either. He's like, nope, Kazooie, you're coming with me. Am I going to sneak out with the bird in my backpack? There's going to be no... I knew it. My bird. I'm not going to pay you or give you the bird. Damn. Well, you can never go back to that hospital again. Oh. It wants to fly. I think that was the end of the chapter. Well, part. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bacon! I love how he just throws the bread on the bush. And it lands on the bird's head. Aww. I swear, that kid's staring at me. I'm gonna stab him. I'm going to stab you. And now I'm outside. Look, follow the paper airplane. Look. Look, it flies. Look, you can catch... It's not a dog. See what I mean? It's not a dog. It does the opposite of a dog. Okay, so I'm still... Oh. So, is this tag? Are we playing tag with a bird or capture the flag and the bird's got my flag? I know it's not actually a flag, but still, this feels like... Why is there a living room in the woods? Why? Why is my living room... This is my living room. Because see, the freaking stupid radios up there that I couldn't line up with. What am I supposed to do? Can I turn the light on? I'm outside. If the lamp's out there, I should be able to turn it on. You know, his mother's gonna walk in and just be like, why the fuck is there a bird on the TV? I don't know, Mom. Why is it raining in my living room? Let's just chill here under the umbrella. Hey, look, the bird's jumping puddles because he's now your biffle. I love how the kids just like, screw it. Is this a game who gets it quick? Because the bird's gonna win. Seriously? How long have I had this bird? Okay, those buttons didn't even do anything. Okay, so it turned it from a plane into a boat. Okay, so I equals talking, barking, speaking. I equals mouth. What is with these math equations? Good lord. Now there's an ice cream truck outside of my classroom. Like, not even just outside. Outside of my classroom. This is trippy as balls. And my ice cream's green. Does that mean it's mint chocolate chip? Or is it more blue? Oh, look. The bird stole the whole damn thing. Oh, but it gave it back. That was kind of adorable. Ah, duckies! What? I love how this kid's best friend is a bird. Oh. It's making friends? It's making me have friends? Someone better get on the seesaw with me. I can't tell if he's gonna run. Yep, because that would totally happen. I'm going to space. I'm going to the moon! Oh, now I know where To the Moon came from. Just because of that part. Oh, look, let's make another one. And I don't get the point of the up and down buttons. It didn't do anything. I've hit it both times and it doesn't do anything. I need to get bread. I hate checking this constantly, but I'm just not sure. I just don't want this to start a new part and me get screwed and not be able to... And not that I get screwed, but that I have to do it all over again. I'm shoplifting bread? Am I at least going to pay for it? Oh, okay. Well, I saw the arrow, so I assumed he's just going to leave with the bread and just, you know, shoplift it. So I'm following myself? Apparently. Freaking mushroom. Because again, the trees just magically part like that all the time. All the time. Oh, it's another birdie. Is that fucking badger thing gonna come back? Give me food. I want food. Goodbye. You wouldn't give me food. I swear I thought he was gonna be floating. Oh, God. Honey, I'm home. Does this kid's mother even really exist? Or is he just writing these notes to himself and just leaving them on the fridge? Good lord, you got home friggin' just past 11? Kid, go the fuck to bed. Eat your goddamn bread and go the fuck to bed. Birdie. Okay. As cute as this game is, I need a little bit more action because I haven't slept well in 3 days and I'm falling asleep on myself. Like, it's adorable, but this just makes me want to play a horror game all the more just so I can be like, hey, look, I'm gonna scare myself awake. Because right now my eyes are drifting. If you hear me snoring, I am so sorry. And again, it's not because I'm like bored because the game's bad. I'm just... It's so slow right now. Please stop trying to teach the bird to do things. It's not gonna know how to do it. What is he doing? Yes, because keep ripping out each individual sheet, putting it down, and then ripping out another one. How about you just take the whole book over there and rip out a bunch of pieces at once? What is he making? A blanket? He's gonna make an airplane, isn't he? Because that's totally how it would work. You just put the pieces next to each other and they all would meld into one giant piece. It's definitely how it would work. I hope that wasn't your school book, you dumbass. I knew it. I even said he's making a giant airplane. Because it's gonna float there. Absolutely. That's totally how that works. It's gonna just stay there like a spaceship. I have a bad feeling about this because this guy is on major acid. This isn't normal. This wouldn't really happen. You wouldn't fly through the... Oh, okay. I didn't want to do that. Oh. Can I do tricks? Can I do a flip? No, but apparently if you hold down the space button, it makes you go really damn fast. Look, I'm going to heaven. Only to drop down to hell. So there's no ground anymore? I can't just... Ooh, that's clear blue water. Anyway. Oh. I found an island in the sky. This just makes me think of Castle in the Sky. Is this Laputa? No. No, we're not Laputa. Oh, so apparently I have to find these things. Bird, do I look like your bitch? I feel like I'm never gonna find these things just because of the fact that there's so much sky I can fly around. Oh, there's one. Now, if I miss one somehow, will this be like, oh, look, you're missing this one? Or will it just go take out the next one that's supposed to be taken out? Let's see. Alright, so just took out the next one. So let's hope I'm doing this right. I hate checking this over and over, but okay, so I'm there now. Again, I just don't want it to be like, oh, look, you didn't actually save this. We're gonna make you do this shit over and over again. Oh, that's a pretty background, and the music's pretty too. Why is this bird not happy anywhere? This is a cool looking one. I like this one. But there are no trees. Oh, are those eggs? So is the bird trying to find its like own nest and not one surrounded by people? I'm confused on what we're doing. I mean, I know the kid's dreaming or he's having a horrible acid trip, but either way, I'd really like to know what I'm doing. Like, why am I looking for these? Is it just the crazy acid trip, or is there actually a plot reason for finding these birds' nests? Oh, come on. Did the bird just shake his head at me? Oh, excuse me. I don't think birds can actually do that. Oh my god, come on. Seriously, my eyes are drifting closed. I just said closed, not closed. Wow. Hey, look. Mom. I'm home. Mom. Oh. Because, again, yeah. Let me just hold up my magic notebook and have all the paper go right back in it. Totally. I want to sleep with you. Bye. Seriously. Oh. Is that the doctor? Is that my mother? I think that's I think that's the doctor. Bitch, just let me keep my bird. Really? Okay. I'm exiting it now because now I know I can and I won't lose my spot. Also just because of the fact that as cute as this is, I am starting to fall asleep on myself. Sorry guys. It's definitely a shorter one today, so hope you enjoyed that randomness. Part 3 will be the final part because there's only these little sections to go, and I'll make sure I have like a caffeine drink or I'm, wide awake. Okay, bye guys.